In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cartoon animation videos in just 5 minutes using Canva. With this method, you'll be creating fun and engaging animations in no time without the need for any advanced technical skills or software. So let's dive right into the process and get started on your animation journey. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, use the search bar on Canva's homepage and type in cartoon animation. This will bring up a selection of animation related templates designed by Canva that are readily customizable. Canva's robust library offers a wide variety of templates to choose from, so you can find something that aligns with your vision and brand style. After you have typed cartoon animation in the search bar, browse through the available templates. This step is crucial as the right template can greatly influence the overall impact your animation has. Take a moment to go through the options and pick the one that resonates the most with your concept or the message you want to convey. Once you have made your selection, click on the template to open it. Now that your chosen template is open, you will see an option that says Customize this template. Go ahead and click on it. This feature allows you to start editing the template immediately, making changes and adding your personal touch to the animation. The beauty of using Canva is how it simplifies complex processes, allowing you freedom without compromising on quality or creativity. Next, let's talk about personalization. You can edit the text to suit your narrative or the story you wish to tell. This is your chance to insert catchy titles, subtitles, or even call to action prompts that will engage your audience. Simply click on the text box and type in whatever you want. Play around with the font style, size, and color to ensure everything matches your theme perfectly. Now, let's move on to adjusting the animation duration. When you have your text in place and you're satisfied with the visual elements, take a look at the timeline below the canvas. You can drag the animation page to either increase or decrease the duration of the sequence. This gives you the flexibility to ensure your animation runs for just the right amount of time, tailored to keep your viewers' interest without dragging too long or cutting off too early. And there you have it, a complete rundown of how to create an animated cartoon video using Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're using this for social media, marketing, or just for fun, Canva makes animation accessible and easy. Give it a try and get creative with it. Thanks for tuning in and happy animating.